Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 2.2 question number 4. Said 1 question 1 by 2 of the circles in box A, 2 by 3 of the triangles in box B, 3 by 5 of the squares in box C. Now question 1 is question 1, that is 1 by 2 of the circles in box A. In box A, how many circles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There is 1 by 2 into 12. 1 by 2 into 12, that is equal to 12 by 2, 12 by 2, and that is equal to 2 1 2, 2 6 12. That means you have to set 6 circles out of this box, right? Let us set this one. 1, 1, 2, 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, right? Here we have set 6 circles out of this. Now question number 2 is 2 by 3 of the triangles in box B. In question number 2, it is 2 by 3, that is 2 by 3 of the triangles in the box. How many triangles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is 9. If we change into lowest term, we will get 3 1 is 3 and 3 3 is 9. 3 into 2 into 3 is 6. That means you have to set 6 triangle, right? That is 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We have decided 6 triangles. Now question number 3 is 3 by 5 of the squares in box C. 3 by 5. 3 by 5 of means into or multiply. 3 by 5 into. How many squares are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That is 15. And if we change into lowest term, we are getting 5 1 is 5 and 5 3 is 15 and 3 into 3, that is 9. You have to set 9 squares. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, this is 7, this is 8, this is 8 and this is 9, right? Therefore, this is the solution of question number 4 of exercise 2.2. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.